still is only a tool and we cannot really predict the trends जो 5 to 10 years later होने वाले. These are 5 careers from my end जो आप explore कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे AI will never take over your job. आपकी job, आपका career sustained रहेगा and you will excel at it. Everyone is scared that AI will take your jobs. And let's be honest, that might happen. बट कुछ ऐसे रोल्स और कुछ ऐसी इंडस्ट्रीज तब भी रहेंगी जहाँ पे AI सपोर्टिंग रोल में तो आ सकता है बट आपकी जॉब्स ले नहीं सकता है. In this video, I am going to talk about 5 such industries or career roles that you can explore for yourself, जहाँ पे AI as a tool use हो रहा है और आगे भी होता रहेगा, but it cannot replace people. So let's get started with it. सबसे पहले and the most obvious one is psychology and mental health related careers. So now what's happening with all this AI and tech around us is that हम लोग socializing और human touch जो है वो lose कर रहे हैं and उसका बहुत obvious impact is on our mental health. Another important thing is that there is a lot of awareness जो increase हो रही है, especially अगर हम Indian societies की बात करें regarding mental health. So this career is going to be one in a boom. And second, not very easily replaceable by AI because AI bots आपको reply तो कर सकते हैं but empathy नहीं ला सकते हैं, emotions नहीं understand कर सकते हैं, human situations नहीं understand कर सकते हैं, which you can do. Second one is any creative field. So you can talk about designing, web designing, product designing, you can even talk about fine arts, you can talk about performing arts. ये सारे वो careers हैं जहाँ पे AI नहीं आ सकता है. So again, AI probably can create an animated video or movie for you, but क्या हम अपने entertainment के लिए सिर्फ AI की movies या content देखना पसंद करेंगे? No, right? We always want to see humans performing on the stage. We always want to see new and creative ideas जो human से आ रहे हैं because that is what connects to us as well. So any creative field, any career जो कि इस पूरे domain में या industry में है, you can check it out for yourself. Third one is healthcare. Again, there are AI robots, there are AI scans, there is AI data analysis जो कि healthcare में बहुत हद तक support कर रहा है. But to be honest, a lot of people amongst us will never trust only AI for a medical diagnosis. And it really will take lot many years के AI उस level तक पहुंचे जहाँ पे कि वो doctors को या nurses को replace करे. Another important aspect again in healthcare is the care that these professionals provide, which again AI cannot do. So if you are interested in any of the medical sides or biology, even psychology as a part of it, you can check healthcare industry for yourself. The fourth career option is teaching and education. Now, I don't think कि मेरे को इस बारे में ज़्यादा explain करने की ज़रूरत है, but once again teaching एक ऐसा domain है जहाँ पे human interaction बहुत important role play करता है, especially अगर हम छोटे classes की बात करें जहाँ पे हमें toddler से deal करना पड़ता है, उनकी fundamentals clear करने पड़ते हैं, foundation build करना पड़ता है, या हम teaching of life skills की बात करें, ये सब चीज़ें AI नहीं provide कर सकता है, and that is where you can play a role. So that is again one domain or education industry overall, any gap which AI cannot fulfill anywhere where a student has special needs is when you can play a role. The last one is अपने आप में AI and technology. Now what happens is कि अगर आप खुद में एक AI या ML या data professional है या tech related career में जाते हैं तो आपको AI वैसे ही replace नहीं कर सकता है because you become the one who is building it. You become the one जो कि ट्रेंड्स को डायरेक्ट कर रहा है. So आपकी जॉब, आपका करियर एकदम सेफ एंड सिक्योर है. I don't think I have to again mention this, but tech careers जो है वो always in boom है, always in need है. And also, if you're using your creativity along with the technological expertise, you can always come up with an innovation that the world needs and nobody can replace you. These are 5 careers from my end जो आप explore कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे AI will never take over your job. And these are not just the options. There is a lot more going on in the outside world. Just make sure कि अगर आप एक human centric domain में हैं, अगर आप एक innovation driven domain में हैं, या आप एक emotion driven domain में हैं, और आप उसमें अपनी creativity और people skills use कर रहे हैं, आपकी जॉब, आपका करियर सस्टेन्ड रहेगा and you will excel at it. If you have any other questions that you would like us to answer, any other topic that you would like us to cover, or even any other career option that you feel we and others should know, make sure you're putting it in the comments and we'll cover that topic. Do like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.